CC staff, teachers and dear friends, we the students of Government Degree College, Bainsa, humbly submit our gratitude to Honorable Commissioner Ma'am and all the staff of the Commissionerate for devising such an innovative program, Jignasa, for us. We are very much grateful to our Principal Chair Sir for his encouragement and our mentor Ravi Kumar Sir for his constant cooperation in carrying out this project. Jignasa is a wonderful platform for the development of research tendency and to instill the scientific temper among young brains. This is Yogita BSc third year. This is Kirti BSc third year. This is Ankita BSc third year. This is Vamshi BCom third year. This is Nitin BSc third year. Over to Kirti.
Thank you, Yogita. The topic we selected under Jignasa is transliteration is better than ridiculous translation. A study on the ability of the readers in understanding translated Telugu words from English by the Eenadu Daily. Introduction. Our project explains the intelligibility of translation of popular English words into Telugu by the Eenadu Telugu Daily. Language makes that easier to understand the culture and to communicate the message properly to the other person. Translation is the communication of the meaning of a source language text by means of an equivalent target language text. Accurate and professional translation serves the original purpose of translation, otherwise it will become a vain attempt. Important. The topic we selected for the project is befitting because translation plays an important role in any language. Instead of true translation, appropriate translation makes a meaningful communication. Mere translation doesn't make a meaningful communication. So we should careful about meaningful translation. Over to Ankita.
Thank you, Kirti. Now, translation strategies. First one, partial translation. Second one, transliteration. Third one, equivalent. Now, first one, partial translation. A part or parts of the source language text are left untranslated. That is, source language plus target language is equals to translated word. Example, folic acid, folic amla, computer science, computer shastra. Second one, transliteration, transferring a word from the alphabet of one language to another. Example, PHOTO is equals to photo, ENGINEE is equals to injury. Third one, equivalent. Equivalent is corresponding word or expression in another language. Example, cell phone is equals to Charavani. Internet is equals to Antarjalam. Over to Vamshi.
Thank you, Ankita. The following are our objectives. Objective 1. Become aware of the significance of the translation from one language to other. Objective 2. To familiarize ourselves to words, how does improper translation leads to communication lapse. Objective 3. To identify the ability of the readers in understanding the newly translated words from Telugu to English by the Eenadu Daily. Objective 4. To find out the basic reasons behind misunderstanding of the meaning. Objective 5. To sensitize people towards the significance of using English words as it is in Telugu script. The hypothesis. The hypothesis we constructed was H1, that is, the readers read the right word or meaning to the given words. Over to Nitin.
Thank you, Vamshi. Methodology. Sampling technique we adopted is simple random probability sampling. Our target population is capital N equals to 100 regular newspaper readers. Out of this, we randomly selected 50 candidates. Therefore, small n equals to 50. For data collection tool we adopted is questionnaire. We distribute the list containing 31 Telugu words translated from English by the Eenadu Daily in recent years to 50 readers and asked them to write the meaning of those words. They are Abhiyanta, Gaganavsaki, Gundadi Palla Samavesham, Valayadikari, Palanadikari, Dachyan Chitram, Sthirasthanam, Chodakudu, Niganetram, Vaignanika Mela, Mukapustakam, Road Vipakini, Taniki Kendram, Goda Pratulu, Payoga Padugu, Vayubanda, and etc. When we observed these response, we understood that most subjects wrote in that meaning and a few wrote English words for the Telugu words in Telugu or English script. Number of participants is equals to 50. Number of participants responded correctly equals to 0. And high number of readers responded correctly to 2 words only. They are word number 9, Niganetram, that means CC camera. 49 members responding. And ward number 20, Mukha Pustakam, that means Facebook, 48 members responding. And no reader responded correctly to the word number 30, Uttarika, mixed sleep. And it is also observed that the participants were guessed the meaning of some words when the translation was meaningful. Over to Yogita.
Thank you, Nitin. Reasons. The reason behind not understanding the Telugu words is they are non-familiar to readers because they didn't see such words in their mother tongue while learning. These words are intentionally translated without any linguistic based and cultural support. The translation seems to be truly artificial. Therefore, when such situation arises, it is better to use transliteration. Recommendations. The study reveals that the readers are familiar with English words only rather than the translated Telugu words. So instead of trying to include the newly created Telugu words, we can use English words as it is, but in Telugu script. Example: engineer as engineer, video conference as video conference. In English, there are many loanwords from other languages. Even from Telugu, many words are taken into Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary, such as keema, masala, puri, vada, yar, chamcha, ayo, bapu, badmash, chutney, dadagiri, ghee, gulab jamun. For our surprise, recently the words of Telangana, Onalu and Batkama are recommended to add in Oxford Dictionary. Over to Kirti.
Thank you, Yogita. Conclusion. Our study reveals that one has to use the words which are communicatively competent without taking into consideration the language from which they are borrowed. In order to save a language from extinction, it is better to borrow the popular other language words into our language. It is difficult and artificial trying to translate such words into our regional languages. Moreover, the translated words are unintelligible. As people are comfortable with English words, so let us accept these words and use in our languages as it is in our script. That is transliteration. If we do so, the regional languages vocabulary will be developed and will be saved from extinction. Finally, the proposed hypothesis is rejected. Thank you.